What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to make spicy fried chicken. First up, we're going to separate the bones from the meat. Make a cut where the thigh and the leg connects. Once you can feel the bone, you can literally just put that sucker out, or you can use your knife to cut through anything that is preventing you from doing so. You can do the same thing with the big group of bone on top of the thigh. Just like so, cut and pull. Once all the bone from the thigh is out, simply separate the thigh and the leg. Double check there's no more bone in your thigh, and then once you come from that, you're good to go. In an empty bowl, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar, some black pepper, 3 tablespoons of paprika, 3 tablespoons of ground white pepper, 3 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. And since we're doing the spicy fried chicken, we're gonna add about 5 tablespoons of chili pepper. Use a spoon to mix everything up really well. Add enough water so your sauce can cover up your chicken. Use a spoon, mix it up a little bit more. After you put the chicken in, massage the chicken for about a minute, then cover it up with foil paper and let it sit in the refrigerator for up to 12 hours. And would you just look at the color of the chicken? Add all-purpose flour into an empty bowl. Now we're gonna season the flour with 3 tablespoons of dried chili pepper and 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Mix everything up really well. And it is time for our first coating for the chicken. So total, we're gonna coat our chicken 3 times. First time, you're just gonna put the chicken simply into the flour and coat it really well. Now we're gonna crack 2 eggs into the bowl and we're gonna beat it until everything is mixed up. Then we're going to add a little bit of milk into the mixture. Now for our second coating, we're going to dip our chicken into the egg milk mixture, then into the flour. Make sure the flour covers every single inch of the chicken. Now we're going to heat up our oil, and before we dip our chicken into the oil, we're going to cover the chicken into the flour once again. That is going to be our third time coating it. Now we're going to fry our chicken on high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the outside is crispy and golden brown. Once your chicken is ready, simply remove the chicken onto a plate and it is time to enjoy. By the way, did I mention how good those chicken looks? Oh dear Lord, those chicken looks delicious. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please like and hit that subscribe button for more